And welcome to this short refresher video on how to download models from TinkerCAD. Okay, to start off with, I'm going to go to my browser. Right, once I'm in my browser, I just need to type tinkercad.com, as you can see there, and click enter. Now we just wait for it. Now we wait for it to load. After it has loaded, we can see it's currently showing my dashboard. Right, this is all the things I've done while I'm logged in. So now I'm going to sign out. Right, I'm going to sign out and then get to the home page. Having signed out, I can now go to the gallery, and in the gallery I can now search for whatever model it is I want. Let's try some few things now. So you see I settled on home economics, and we have this planter that someone has created. Right now, as you can see on the right hand side, there is a download button. So I'm going to click this download button, and instantly it takes me to the sign in page, the sign up or sign in page. Since I already have an account, I will just click sign in, put in my details, put in my password. I have two-factor authentication signed up on this. On this, you don't need to have it. It's just my own personal preference. And now we're logged in. So as I'm logged in, I now have the option to download as either an STL file or an OBJ file, as you can see there. All I need to do now is click STL and wait. Now we can see on the top right that the model has been downloaded in the STL format straight into my downloads folder. Okay, so that's how easy it is to download models from TinkerCAD. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to download models from both Thingiverse and printables.